Welcome back. So now we are going for a short spin in nearby. In our GT3 RS. Let's do the cold start. After many days we are driving this car. Let's check everything is good or not. Yes, it can easily 230. So, I think everything is fine. This is the reason I don't drive this car. Every time I get out of control. See again. In high speed and in a big turning radius, it's difficult to handle. Let's push it again. Almost hit the cop. A little bit more to hit 350. The 330 is also good in this car. Feels kinda hungry. Let's have some fries and burgers. Let's go through the driveway. Need to be careful here. Let's place an order for some fries and a burger. Order done. Time to collect the food. So tight space. We have to go to the counter number 2. Here we go. Finally get our order. I can't wait to eat it. Let's park the car, and then we will eat it. I notice now that in the car there's no gas. We have to feed the car as well as completing our meal. A little bit poor in parakeet. Let's have our meal. I really like this car, but I like the new model more than this. Let's eat the rest of the food in the gas station. Otherwise, too much time will be a waste. We have to reach the gas station as soon as possible. Can we make it to the gas station? Yes, finally, we can make it. So, I am saying that I really like the new model. So I want to request Car Simulator 2 for the new GT3 RS or 911 Chiron. Any of them will be good. Let's have our meal again. I am not putting the nozzle inside because I am waiting for the car to get turned off by itself due to low fuel. Finally, the fuel tank is empty. Let's fill it. Now time to get back home. Everything is done. Go for a spin, eat a good meal, fuel up and push. Now we get back home and take some rest. Because tomorrow again, we have to go early in the morning for the next destination. I think I will again hit 300. But not a problem today, we several times hit 220. What should I do with this stability issue? Finally we reached. Feels tired to park. Thinking to keep on the road. Okay, for now we will keep it here only. Afterwards we park it on its original place. Let's go for a nap. Like, share, comment, subscribe.